Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose sound and vibration over here, and click on the switcher next to vibrate for incoming calls. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your calls. You can also though click on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down and click on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!